If you want to install a VPN app on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store. And once you open the Play Store, then over here we should be able to tap on the search option here at the bottom. Then we can use the search field at the top, and then we can just simply type VPN. And if you already know which VPN app you want to get specifically, then of course you can search for it over here. And there we go, we have the list of all of these different VPN apps that we can use. So you can just pick your favorite one if you have any, and if you have no idea which one to choose, you can just pick randomly, and of course if you like it then you can keep it. If not, then you can just keep going and you can try to get a different one. So in my case I'm just gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but like I said, feel free to try anything else, any other VPN app. And they are all pretty similar, but they might have slightly different features for free users. They also have premium offers most of the time, so if you really enjoy using one of these VPN apps, then you can of course consider purchasing the premium version, although it is not really mandatory to do so, at least most of the time. Alright, there we go, so now we're gonna open the app. Now thankfully in this case we don't have to create any account whatsoever, we can just continue as a guest. There we go, and you might see the premium offer, which usually you can just close pretty easily. In my case, I just have to tap on the not now over here. And then you should be able to just connect to a server, which in my case is over here. Unfortunately, as a free user, I cannot really choose which country I want to connect to. So this is the drawback, of course, of free VPN apps, although some apps might be they might allow you to do so. So you can also check out settings if necessary to make some adjustments if that's what you need. But that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.